It's the ultimate. The most advanced technology vacuum cleaner has arrived. Introducing the new Wertheim 7 Series, built to perfection from the inside out, to tackle today's cleaning problems throughout your home. The new Wertheim 7 Series will revolutionise home cleaning. Unique to the 7 Series is Wertheim's latest power brush advancement, featuring whirlwind power pulse technology. The enhanced power brush cleans carpet from the bottom up, lifting the dirt and particles from the deepest part of the carpet fibres as it glides effortlessly along the carpet. The combination of the superior motor, together with the whirlwind power pulse technology, elevates the performance achieved by the 7 Series vacuum to a whole new level. The 7 Series also comes with a turbo floor head designed specifically for cleaning your timber and tiled floors. For a quick clean across multiple surface types, use the combination floor head as it allows moving from carpet to hard floors effortlessly. Onboard storage holds the 3-in-1 accessory tool. The 3-in-1 tool converts easily to an upholstery tool for furniture and the car, a soft brush tool to clean dust from bookshelves, cupboards and corners, plus a crevice tool assisting you to reach into the most awkward gaps and crevices easily. The 7 Series is easy to manoeuvre with a crush-proof hose, soft comfort grip handle and telescopic rod for easy height adjustment to suit any user. The 7 Series uses a 4-layer germostat dust bag, which further adds to the advanced filtration capability to guarantee efficient airflow. The powerful suction, combined with an advanced 4-stage HEPA 13 filtration system, virtually eliminates allergy risk in the home, as the filters trap 99.97% of dust and particles, preventing them from releasing back into the air. An optional diverter attachment is also available, designed to capture the dust, dirt and debris before it reaches the main canister of your vacuum cleaner, without reducing the suction power of your vacuum. This machine truly is a unique and powerful all-in-one cleaner. It picks up what the others leave behind. Incredibly, the 7 Series removes 36% more dirt from carpet than the best-selling Bagless vacuum in the market. The ultimate vacuum cleaner is now available in Australia and New Zealand, exclusive to Godfreys.